Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to make button sensors on Scratch. So what you want to do first is get a when green flag clicked, delete Scratchy. Bye bye. Go to a paint, just paint a new sprite and just make it a little bit bigger. Now I want to do a square. You can hold down shift while doing this to make it a perfect square. So just like that. And then put it in the middle. Now draw an invisible square around it. So I'll set this to like this red line, just to make this look. Oh no, just put that there. Okay, just to make this look a little bit better. As you can see, it's cut off right here. It's a glitch from Scratch. They haven't fixed it yet. So what you want to do is click that square, red line, and then just do that. Now you want to put this in the middle, like this target thing. So now it looks better. You can click that, make it look better, like in any way you want. So maybe like that, or then the outline could be um set this. The outline could be like 64 right here. No, 50, cause okay, what you want to do now is you want to get a text. You just want to set it to any color you want. So I'm just choosing black because it looks better against the white. W. Just like that. And put in a W. So it'll look like that on the screen. Now you want to duplicate this. And then you want to go to the mouse pointer thing and click on this, the square, not the letters. And then you want to set this to a darker color. So the outline right here, I'll set this to a darker color, like 64, 65, somewhere around that. And now we're set to start coding now. Alright, so you want to do a when green flag clicked, go to whatever like position you want it to be. I'll just put it right here in the middle. So yeah, just like that. Go to X7 and Y9. Now I want to do a forever if then else. So in the if then, you want to do a if W key pressed, then you want to do a set size to 140%. Now I want to duplicate that and then do a 100% right here, just so we make sure that when we click the W, it doesn't just keep setting it the size to 140 so that it goes back. See, and now we made it just like that. So now you want to add this. Switch costume to costume 2. And then you want to duplicate that. And then you want to do switch costume to costume 1 in the else block. So, oh, we gotta just not set it to 140. You want to make it less because that'll make it appear better. You can make it get bigger if you want to. So just like that, so you can see. Now you can just duplicate this. Instead of the W, you can do S right here. You can put this right here, right below the W, because that's where it is on the keyboard. Let me just try to align this. Okay, and then you wanna right here make it an S. Whoa, S. Just like that. Now you can just yeah. Just change the W key press to S. So right here. So oh, I accidentally put them in the same spot. Let me fix that. So right here. Yep, just like that. Which is 7x7 y negative 28. So negative 28. That'll just give that. Then see. So you got these two. Now I can just duplicate that. You can do an S right here. I mean not S, space. But you wanna delete this and just make this bigger, like wider, just like that. That's a space key. Delete the S and get a new text. Make it say space. Done, just like that. You can see. Just duplicate that. Put it right there to make the code like understand it. And then you want to set this to 55, I think. Yeah, 55. No, not 55. 50. Okay, that'll be good. It's not that noticeable. Was it? Oh, guess set it to 50, just like that. Now I want to position this right here. Space. So, oh, I gotta make it go right here. Alright. Let's just put this right under the S to make it. Let me just set the position right there. Negative 75. As you can see. Oh, why is it still staying? Okay, wait. Let me try and oh, it's because I'm on the costume. Yeah, be sure to stay on costume number 1 for this to work, or whatever is 1 for you right here. Because this will not work if you do that. So, oh, it changed costume numbers. That's why. Okay, so this will be costume number 2. So this is fine. We just have to change this into 3. So, whoa, what's wrong? Did my game cut? Okay, I got it working now. It's just a glitch. Okay, so now you can duplicate this key exactly, not the space one. It'll just make your life much easier. Add this right there. Make it say A instead of S. Put it in the middle. And then make this say A2. Put it in the middle too. Okay. Now we're gonna make this say if key A pressed. So now you got a working A and S. Let me just position this in a in another place other than the S. Okay, just like that. -30, -28. So -30 right there. And this should work, yeah. Okay, now we can make the D key and just stay tuned to the end so we can make the left click key. I couldn't make the right click because there's no block for that. Okay, so I put this right there. Make this say D. We're gonna change all of this to D. This is still no. Okay. Okay, just like that. Okay, so yeah, so this should work. Oh wait. Oh, forgot to set the position when you click green flag. Okay, just like that. It's probably off, like it's not with the S, aligned with the S, but it's fine. Just click off that. It could go to 45. And then click that, and as you can see, it all works. Now we make the left click. This you want to make a new sprite for, and then bring all the code from this to there. And then instead of the key pressed, we'll go sensing and mouse down. And then you want to do right here. You want to make this costume 1. This is going to be costume 2. No, this is going to be costume 2, and then that's going to be costume 1. Okay. Now we just make this bigger. Make a square. Make it white. And then make this. It's still 50, which is fine. Okay, just make a rectangle, like a tall rectangle. Because this makes much more sense than just a square. We'll make the outline thicker. Oh yeah, we'll make the rectangle thicker. Alright. Oh, that's way too big. Alright, that's perfect. Left, and then take your text and make it black. Make it say left dash click, and just want to delete this dash really because there's no need because we're gonna separate it like that. Let's go. Now I go right here. Think this works now. Alright. Duplicate this. Make the outline darker. Oh, you gotta click on it before you do that. So make the outline darker. 65. You're all set. So, oh wait, no, you're not all set. You just gotta put this in a position. So -21 for the Y. 21. Then -115. Just like that. And it should all work. Oh wait, gotta. Okay, custom 2. Oh, right here. Okay, set it to custom 2, and as you can see, you're all set. If you press it all together, nothing will happen. And yeah, that's all it. As you can see, we're painfully close to 30 subscribers. We're just 1 subscriber away, so it would mean the world to me if you subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.